Startup Booster templates can be used in any platform or tool with a little help from your graphic designer. In Landingi, you can import a template and adjust it on your own. See how to do it in less than 3 minutes. Log into your Landingi account. In a Landing Pages tab, click Create New Landing Page. Next, click Upload a landing page file and choose a file from your computer. This is a file we have created for you. After it is imported, click Edit. Now you're going to be redirected to an editor. The template is here. Now you can edit any elements easily and quickly. Adjust it to your product and brand. In Landingi Editor, you can add your own logo or any image right from your computer. You can change text, headlines, font size, and its place, colors, and buttons. When all changes are done, all you need to do is to publish your landing page. Remember to change the URL to your own domain. Your landing page is ready to be shown to the world.